Get noticed in this 2006 Nissan Altima. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that gives you more control with its manual transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.